This morning, I watched the sky unfold in gentle hues, and I realized nature is the greatest, wisest teacher. The sky, it never stayed the same, just like life. Every day bring new colors. I watered the plants today, tiny drops nurturing the roots, like little acts of care nurturing the soul. Life is a delicate balance of patience, care, growth. What you nurture today, bloom tomorrow. I let the water touch the soil, tiny droplets dancing on the leaves. Each drop's a gentle reminder that growth begins slowly and beauty grows where care is given. Then, a cup of tea in hand, the warmth isn't just the stillness it creates. In our busy lives, we often forget peace lives in small moments, watching the sky, touching the leaves, sipping tea. This tiny push gives strength, purity, calm. So, be alive like the leaves, be vast like the sky, be warmed like the tea. If you have beauty in small moments, every day become a new poem of fresh start, a gentle walking. Ta-da!